Okay. This is the second of 3 videos. This one here is going to explain on how you start to put your cover on. What you want to do is you want to take, these are the clips that come with my cover. You'll want to divide them up amongst you and your partner. What do you got? 6, 7. This is a 24 foot, so it roughly takes about 18. All of my covers usually come with extra clips just for homeowners' peace of mind. 7, 8, 9. He's got 10 and I got 10. Now our cover's over here. You just watched us fold it up. What we do now is we'll take it. Hold on. Getting myself ready. We'll set it up here on the edge. Be sure that when you set it up on the edge that you're putting on the to where when you open it up, you've got your flap there.
So we start folding up.
Yeah.
Right into the wire. There's the flap.
That's it right there. Go ahead and unfold this. You set it up there. You start to unfold. Now you remember when we folded this thing up, it's important to note because a lot of homeowners deal with water getting on their covers when they install them, when they take them off. This will help solve that problem if you prep your cover before you put it on. In other words, all this is the bottom. So all we're doing is always flipping it over. We're never really dragging it. So what we'll do is, now that we've got it started unfolding,
You want me to go this way?
we'll raise it up here in just a second. We're going to raise it up. What we're going to do is we're going to come up. It doesn't have to be perfect. Don't cut yourself short though for the other side. And we're going to go ahead and just put a clip or two. Now you can use these clips either way. I found they work best if you use